people, this is me Pratisha Arganti and welcome back to the channel Kabasura Kudinir. So in the video na nama paaka porom appadina coin collections. So without any ado, let's get into the video. But before that, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and do not miss any updates. The first coin is 1947 Indian coin. So here you can see this is 1947 Indian coin. It is called as quarter rupee and it is during the time of George VI King Emperor. The second coin is 1954 and you can note the spelling that it is written 1 pice. P-I-C-E, that's the spelling written during that time. So this is 1 pice coin in the year 1954. So this is 1965 10 paise coin. You can see that here it is mentioned. It is 1965 10 paise coin. This is 1969 coin. So the value of the coin is 20 paise. 1970 20 paise coin and here the symbol is lotus. So this is 20 paise coin of 1970. So this is 1970 10 rupees note and here you can observe that the signature of the governor is written both in English as well as in Hindi. So the symbol behind this is boat. This is 1 rupee note of year 1975. So here you can observe that the year is 1975. So this is 1981 5 paise coin. So it's very damaged, you can't see. Yeah. This is actually a 10 paise coin, but it's not clear. You can see the emblem of our country, that's all. This is 1984 10 paise coin. This is 1985 20 paise coin. So this is 1989 5 rupees coin and to the back of it we can see image of Nehru and I think this is the biggest coin ever. In my collection this is the biggest coin ever. So this is again a 1 rupee note and the year of this is 1990. So you can all see that every denomination, the value of every denomination is written in 14 languages. Yeah. So the oldest note, rupee note of mine is 1970. So this is 1996 10 paise coin. So this is 1998 2 rupees coin. So this is 1999 5 rupees coin. So just see, it's 1989 and this is 1999. The size of the coin is very diminished. And by the way, 25 paise coin of the year 2001. So this is a 50 paise coin of the year 2008. This is 1 rupee coin of 2011. So this is the 10 rupees coin of the iconic year 2012. This is 1 rupee note of the year 2017. So revealing you the oldest coin of my collection ever. So here it comes. It's Balarama Varma Travancore Maharaja's coin. I call it as tablet coin, but I don't know the value of this coin. So you can observe that there is a symbol in here. Yeah, and some inscriptions here in Malayalam. So that's all for the day, guys. So this is the Indian collection of my coins and I have nearly 15 to 16 country coins, in which I just showed you the Indian collection of mine. So my favorite coin is the Travancore coin, and also mention what was your favorite in the comment box below. And if you guys want us to take any challenges, just mention it and we will do that. Thank you. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.